All right, today we're going to work on 7.3 is that we get to investigate how to represent fractions as multiples of unit fractions. Who has some remembrance or some recollection of what multiples are? A couple of people? Lovely. What's a multiple? Can we get help? I bet you know, it's just hard to put it into words, right? Yes, sir. Good. I like this thought. So multiples of 10, right? What's your other thought? Okay. Oh, you're thinking factors there. So that's factors. I understand why multiples and factors can be mixed up. Factors are the numbers that you multiply to get to a product. Right? Last thought on it. It's that's right. So for the way I would describe it is it's skip counting in the back. Multiples are skip counting. And the way it was described on how you find it, like if you want to do multiples of 10, 10 times 1 is 10. 10 times 2 is 20. 10 times 3 is 30. 10 times 4 is 40. Okay. So what you're doing is you're multiplying by 1, then 2, then 3, then 4, then 5, then 6, and on and on and on, right? So what's the 10th multiple of 100? 10th multiple of 10, I meant to say, yes, 10th multiple of 100 is 1,000 because it's 100 times 10, right? Okay. So, yes, sir. Okay. So today we're going to investigate the multiples of fractions here from unit fractions. If you recall, unit fractions had a 1 in the numerator, right? So you might get a problem that looks like this. If Kate wants to give a snack consisting of 1/2 an orange to each of the 6 girls in her scout troop, how many oranges does she need, right? So we know we have a unit fraction, which is 1/2, and she's going to give 1/2 to each girl. So there's really two ways to solve this, right? Either you could do addition. So 6 times I would add 1/2. And I don't have everybody's eyes here. I have a lot of heads down. A lot of heads down. Thank you. I would add 1/2 6 times. 1/2 plus 1/2 plus 1/2 plus 1/2 plus 1/2 plus 1/2 equals 6/2, as we know. So there's 6 1s in the numerator, right? As we know, when we add fractions, we do not change the denominator. Or I could multiply 1/2 6 times. Since I added it 6 times, that language is there, right? Adding 6 times is the same as multiplying it by 6. So 1/2 times 6 equals 6/2. And if you are feeling really froggy, and probably we need to start doing these conversions, when you have a mixed fraction where the numerator is higher than the denominator, you're going to find holes in there, right? So we know that the whole of halves is 2/2, and I see that there are 3 2/2 in there, which means that equals 3 holes. Is everyone okay with that? Okay. So this is one way to represent that is with the addition and the multiplication problem. Okay. To look at it again, perhaps you'd like to look at it on a number line. But to look at it, I would need your eyes this way. Okay. So Kate wants to give that snack consisting of one half of an orange each to 6 girls, right? We could we could look at this. Starting at one half, right? Starting at one half. Let's see, I want to do something with the marker here. Okay. We would have to count 6 times, right? So 1, 2, 3, 4. Oh, I'm sorry. Should have counted from 0, right? 1, not starting at one half, starting at 0. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, and then one more skip count to 6, right? And remember, I call those increments. So I counted 6 increments of halves here. And if you're to look on the number line, starting at 0, those 6 halves would end up to be 1 half, 2 halves, 3 halves, 4 halves, 5 halves, 6 halves, or the same, a different way to look at it as we did the conversion would be 3 wholes. Or if you just wanted to do it like a graph like this to show 1 half of an orange, this is 1 half, 2 halves, 3 halves, 4 halves, 5 halves, and 6 halves. You put all those halves together to make wholes, and you'll see also that they make 3 wholes. Okay? Yes. Another way to look at it to find that conversion is that 2, because there's 2 of the parts, 2 can go into the 6 in the numerator 3 times. Another way to find that whole. So I'm glad you recognize that. Okay. Are there any questions about going from unit fractions and looking at and investigating the multiples of unit fractions? Excellent. Today, you're going to work on page, it's actually, I believe, 233 to 236, or is it just 234 and two? No, it's 234, 235, and 236. 236 was your uh, math box this morning, and if you finish with that, you can work into Khan Academy division or fractions. Are there any questions about that? I think I have a mastery list. I'll look